Today here I am trying to figure out the best location for the greenhouse, the surprise project. If you haven't watched those two videos, uh, the surprise project and the first step, which was unloading, I will post them on the screen. Uh, but now I'm trying to figure out the best location to build that greenhouse. Uh, and also I'm trying to collect materials that will work in putting those windows together. Uh, so as you haven't, if you haven't watched the previous videos, I wanted a greenhouse for a while, and I, didn't want to spend thousands of dollars to get a greenhouse, and I didn't want those ones that plastic sheathing, and you have to keep changing every 2 years the plastic, and I wanted something permanent. So when I saw used windows for $10 a piece, aluminum windows, and they were all the same size, I bought 30 of them, and I will be using those to build a greenhouse. As for the location, uh, I wanted to choose a location that is mostly, for the most part, level, so I don't have to work hard on digging or raising ground. So this area is fairly leveled. This part here probably a little bit lower than this part, but for the most part is good. I have another area over there that's also leveled, but we have high ground over there. When it rains very hard, I want the greenhouse to be a little bit on a higher ground than surrounding areas, so it doesn't get flooded and so muddy. So here we have a slope down this way, and from this side a slope down this way. This area here, is a very good possibility for the greenhouse. The other thing that I wanted for the greenhouse is water source. So we have, you see this green line, this is not the right one, but this line here to this T-post and continues all the way to the shop. That's a trench was dug, and the water hose come to this T-post, and then we have a splitter. One hose goes underground and comes out over there for the chicken coop, and the other one is coming down here, and it's going to this area that has a grapevine. It's a very small blackberry and blueberries. Also I have some apple tree, this is pear trees and fig tree, plum and apple. They are spread in this area, so that hose come out of the ground and serve this area. So what I'm gonna do is probably dig that trench, cut that hose, and put a T with clamps and put the water to the greenhouse. So that is another option. As far as collecting materials, uh, uh, um, continue to look for good deals in different places. Um and there is somebody tearing a house in a close by city that's selling the lumber and selling it really cheap. I will let you know every step on the way how much uh, that greenhouse will cost me. So I have to choose the lumber that will fit with these windows, and everything comes together in a good construction, solid uh, building, and at the same time uh, not very expensive. I can just make an order from Home Depot, get it delivered with all the lumber I think I need, and build it. But I'm in no rush, so I am in no rush. You know, if I have a project that's demanding to be done in a certain point, I will go ahead and do that. For example, the well house. We have the well, and the winter was coming, so I had to get it done before any freezing comes. So I did make an order from Home Depot. It gets delivered, and I build the well house. Uh, the whole house cost me $700 or $800, something like that. You know, insulated and everything with siding and metal roof. There is no need to make it 6, 7, 8 feet high. It's only 4.5 feet high to contain the well house, but it does the job and it worked. So that was a demanding to get it done within a certain time. So I went ahead and ordered the wood for the greenhouse. Uh, it gets done when it gets done. I'm not gonna spend the money just to get it done. I'm gonna continue treasure hunting for materials and making the design according to the material I find. So it works this way. So here I found this deal online. Used truck bed railing that's used for trucks. Uh, 3 pieces. So 2 pieces has 3 2x4s and 1 2x3, 8 feet long, plus the vertical pieces 2x3s about 2.5 feet long. 2 of these, so that's 6 pieces of 2x4 and 8 feet, and 2 pieces 2x3 8 feet, and 6 pieces of 2x3 2.5 feet, and then the small one is the same, but it's 6.5 feet. So we have 3 pieces 2x4 6.5 feet, and 1 piece 2x3, and we have these vertical pieces. So all that I paid $25 for it. I also found these 2 C-channels. They are a good size lengthwise to do the roof support for the greenhouse. I got these pallets for free, so they're gonna be probably used for shelving in the greenhouse. So that's so far what I got for it, other than the windows. I'm also spending some time uh, in designing the greenhouse, uh, putting measurement together to how the windows will fit together, the short side, the long side, the doors, the height, and all that. So I'm gonna show you some drawing and what I'm coming up with right now. So I'm spending time making drawing and different options, how the layout and how the construction will work, and my final choice is coming to have an 8 feet wide, 15 feet long approximate, with 2 beds on the sides, one door in the one end and another door on one end, and the roof will be the same windows laying flat and supported by beams sideways, and there will be window screens on the top to protect the glass from hail, and also that will be a flat roof. It's going to be 6 feet tall, the building, so my wife can walk into it, and if she needs to do something there, she can. But that will be only 6 feet tall, because when I use my lift to reach the top to work on this roof, I don't want to be not reaching any point. I want to be able to, when I come from the sides, I can reach here, or when I come from this side, I can reach here on the top. So when I come from the side, this side, I can reach here. When I come from this side, I can reach here on in the left. Thank you for watching to the end, and I will promise to keep you updated with every step on the way to build this greenhouse, and to keep you updated with the problems that we have, and the timeline, the expense, the cost, and everything. So I'll be periodically posting videos about the greenhouse as it progresses. In the meanwhile, I'll be posting other videos about whatever else happening on the homestead here. So please enjoy these videos, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, and share, and hit that bell so you get notified with the new videos when I post them. Thank you.